Ravioli and shrimp. Let's make this dish. So what I got here is some broccoli rabe or rapini, and whenever I use it, I peel it. I've gone into pretty good detail on other videos about peeling this, but all you do is just catch it with a little paring knife and just peel it down like that. All right, so a little bit of olive oil in the pan, and I'm going to cook the shrimp first. All right, I got the shrimp. This is 2 pounds, believe it or not. Looks like nothing. I had it in the fridge. I just peeled it. And right here, I got the shells boiling because I'm going to use that stock in a few minutes for this. All right, let me wash this, cover this, and then when these are done, I'll put them back in here. All right, while the shrimp are going, I'll chop up some garlic, quite a bit. All right, the shrimp are about pretty well done. They can go another second or two, but I'll finish them off in the sauce when I add them back. So I got a shallot I wanted to use up. So I'm just gonna cut it up pretty fine. So this is going right in the oil that I cook the shrimp in. All right, let me quarter these up. These little tomatoes here. I'm not going to peel them or nothing. I'm just going to throw them in and be good. Rustic style. All right, some olives. The broccoli rabe. And the stems will cut really easy like that because I peeled them. If you didn't peel them, you wouldn't go through that quickly. All right, now the garlic. A little bit of black pepper. A little salt. And then crushed red pepper. All right, a little bit of my favorite dry white vermouth. Looks like I gotta go and get another bottle. All right, now I'm gonna put in this stock. All it is just the boiled down shrimp shells. All right, in goes the raviolis. If you make this and it's not liquidy enough, then just reserve some of the pasta water. And then after I always do everything family style. I don't add the pasta right back unless I'm cooking just for me. And then add a little bit of water back when you mix everything together, your pasta, whether it's raviolis or not. But let's All right, the raviolis are done. So now add the shrimp and the water that kind of came out of them back to it. This is a lot of sauce. It's a nice looking sauce. I can't tip it, but check that out. All right, this is ready to go in. And there is that. Generally, I don't put cheese on fish sauce, but this, I want to. This is a piece of Romano I had in there. And here we go. That's ready to go. Get some broccoli rabe. Nice ravioli. That really is good. And there it is. Shrimp, raviolis, bunch of stuff. It's a really good lunch. Give it a try. It's easy, fast. It's a good one.